Here are favorite Amazon finds you didn't think you needed. If your cart isn't full after this, are you even watching? Subscribe and ring that notification bell for more favorites.
Amazon outdoor must-have. If you like to grill, then you need these grill mats. With these mats, you can make the juiciest steak and saute your vegetables. I love using this mat when grilling because I don't have to worry about things falling through. Take your grilling to the next level with this mat.
Hosting favorites from Amazon to make hosting easier.
These fly fans are a must-have for outdoor gatherings to keep those flies away. The reflective patterns on the fan blades reflect light and repel flies. This outdoor caddy stores plates and servingware and keeps them in place so they won't fly away. This Marble Lazy Susan helps make your snacks easily accessible. These reusable grill mats protect your grill from sticking and falling food. Same grill taste without the mess. Give these a try and follow for part 2.
I love using my flat top grill to cook, and these are some of my favorite grill accessories. This grill caddy lets me have everything I need all in one place. This portable misting fan is a necessity during the summer months. It has 3 different fan speed options. It's USB battery charged, so no cords while using. And my favorite part is the ice water that you could add for the mist. The mist is so thin, so it doesn't feel like it's getting you wet, but it really cools you off, and you could angle it to yourself. These fancy pans are no doubt one of my favorite things. I love them for prepping my food, storing my food, traveling with food. They're honestly just great and so useful. Basically, dress up your foil pan and maintain your food's temperature. I also love these fly swatter fans when serving any food outside. Keep the flies away, and they're soft touch blades in case my kids touch them. I love this cleaning kit that I use to clean after cooking. It comes with a griddle scraper, sourcing pads, and griddle brush with handles. We usually try to clean when it's still warm. We put water on it, use the scraper, more water, and then use a sourcing pad, and then you're pretty much done.
Amazon Super Deals. This best-selling grill is only $25 and it's now back in stock. I love that I can grill inside or outside, and it has a non-stick griddle on the side for easy cooking. It's the perfect size to use anywhere, and I love that the grill and the drip tray can be removed easily, which makes cleaning very convenient, and it has a detachable power element with 5 different temperature settings for easy grilling.
I'm gonna make this place your home. Come on!
Thank you so much for watching. All the product links are in the description. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss another viral Amazon favorite.